Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone. Enable adaptive brightness in settings display and disable battery saver so the system can raise luminance. Once done, open quick settings and check the manual slider. Move it upward to teach the sensor your preferred level. You're training the adaptive algorithm, so make adjustments in varied lighting. Make sure to plug in power if you want higher peak values, because many devices limit brightness on battery to save energy. Next, you access deeper controls. Enable developer options and use settings like demo mode or stay awake to prevent dimming during tweaks. Then install a reputable screen calibration or brightness booster app. These adjust gamma and contrast to make the display appear brighter without raising hardware backlight too much. Once installed, increment changes slowly and compare under real lighting, because aggressive gamma shifts can wash colors. Make sure to allow necessary. Finally, you perform finishing touches. Increase contrast and slightly warm color temperature to boost perceived brightness, then fine-tune the adaptive slider while testing outdoors and while charging to confirm maximum luminance. Once satisfied, let the system relearn for day by varying environments. If brightness won't increase, reboot and reset adaptive brightness, check for battery saver or thermal throttling, and uninstall any overlay apps that conflict. If problems persist, factory reset or contact support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.